Welcome to Explore English Online. Let's get started.
Have you ever wondered if it's really possible to learn English completely in just 1 year? Imagine waking up one morning and speaking fluently without hesitation. The tools are changing fast and everyone promises a shortcut. But do these new methods actually work? Today we dive into the reality of learning English in 2026.
I've tried every app and method, from online courses to AI tutors. Sometimes it feels like the English language is a mountain I can never climb. But what if technology finally gives us the boost we've been waiting for? Let's explore how realistic it really is.
First, let's talk about technology. In 2026, AI isn't just a helper. It's a personal teacher. Imagine having a tutor available 24/7, correcting your pronunciation instantly. These AI systems adapt to your mistakes in real time. Sounds perfect, right? But can it replace real conversation?
That's where practice with humans still matters. AI can't fully replicate the unpredictability of real interactions. Yet, for many learners, it's the bridge that helps them gain confidence. So, the question remains, can we combine AI and human practice effectively?
Speaking of human practice, immersion is key. Surrounding yourself with English in daily life accelerates learning. Podcasts, movies, and social media in English are more than entertainment. They're lessons. The challenge is consistency.
I started watching English videos daily, even if I didn't understand everything. Slowly, I noticed patterns in sentences and expressions. Small steps lead to big progress. But what's the secret to making this consistent?
Motivation is critical. Many people start excited but lose steam after a few weeks. Setting achievable goals keeps you going. For example, learning 5 new words every day might seem small, but it adds up.
And celebrating small victories makes a huge difference. Every time I understood a joke in English or read a news article without translation, I felt unstoppable. Motivation fuels practice. It's the hidden engine of language learning.
Now let's address speed. Can someone realistically reach fluency in 2026 within months? Fast learning methods promise shortcuts, but they often skip deep understanding. It's like trying to run before you can walk.
True, but with AI and structured learning, it's more achievable than ever. Personalized schedules, spaced repetition, and real-time corrections create an efficient learning path. It's about smart effort, not just hard effort.
Another game changer is virtual reality. Imagine entering a virtual city where everyone speaks English. You can practice ordering food, asking for directions, or chatting with locals, all without leaving home.
VR creates a safe space to make mistakes. I tried a simulation once and it felt like I was really living in London. The more immersive the experience, the faster the brain adapts. But immersion alone isn't enough. Reflection is necessary too.
Reflection is often overlooked. Reviewing mistakes and learning from them is critical. AI can track patterns in your errors, showing weak spots you didn't even notice.
I realized I kept mixing tenses. Once I focused on that, my sentences became more natural. Feedback, especially instant feedback, makes learning exponential. But how do you balance this with casual speaking?
Casual speaking requires confidence. Many learners know the grammar but freeze in conversation. Real fluency involves risk-taking, making mistakes, laughing at them, and continuing.
I still hesitate sometimes, but practice with friends or online communities reduces fear. Confidence transforms knowledge into action. The journey isn't just learning English, it's learning to speak without fear.
Let's talk data. Studies show that consistent daily practice, even just 30 minutes, improves fluency faster than irregular long sessions. Quality over quantity is key.
I follow a daily routine, listening in the morning, reading in the afternoon, speaking at night. The small, repeated habits compound into real results. But what about motivation dips?
Motivation dips are inevitable. That's why community matters. Joining study groups or discussion forums keeps you accountable. Seeing others progress inspires you.
I joined an online English club, and sharing successes and failures motivated me. Support networks turn lonely learning into an exciting journey. Connection is surprisingly powerful.
What about learning hacks? Some swear by memory palaces, flashcards, or mnemonic devices. They speed up vocabulary acquisition dramatically.
I tried mnemonics and my word recall improved overnight. But these are tools, not replacements for deep understanding. Balance hacks with real-world practice.
Cultural exposure accelerates comprehension. English isn't just words, it's culture. Idioms, humor, and references shape communication. Understanding context is crucial.
I started reading English blogs and watching shows from different countries. Each cultural nuance I learned improved my fluency. Language is alive. It's more than grammar and vocabulary.
Let's discuss setbacks. Everyone hits plateaus. Sometimes you feel stuck, despite constant effort. Recognizing plateaus is important. It's part of the process.
I once stopped progressing for weeks. Instead of quitting, I switched methods. That change sparked renewed improvement. Flexibility keeps learning alive.
Another factor is age. Many believe children learn languages faster, but adults have advantages: experience, reasoning, and strategy. 2026 tools level the field even more.
I started learning English as an adult. Structured AI learning made up for slower natural acquisition. Age matters less when strategy and consistency are applied.
Speaking of strategy, goal setting is crucial. Break fluency into mini-goals: vocabulary, listening, speaking, writing. Check progress weekly.
I use journals to track growth. Seeing improvement boosts morale. Goal setting transforms abstract dreams into measurable steps. Planning keeps you focused.
Now, let's address myths. You need to live abroad to be fluent is outdated. With online communities, AI tutors, and VR, immersion is possible anywhere.
I live in a non-English speaking country but practice daily with virtual platforms. The borderless world makes language learning more accessible than ever. Opportunity is everywhere.
Pronunciation often intimidates learners. AI tools analyze speech and suggest improvements instantly. It's like having a personal accent coach.
I used an AI app that highlighted mispronunciations in real time. My confidence soared. Mastering pronunciation early prevents bad habits from forming. Clear speech equals clear thinking.
Listening skills evolve too. Podcasts, audiobooks, and conversations fine-tune your ear. Early struggles transform into understanding fast.
I struggled with accents initially, but exposure helped. The brain adapts when it's regularly challenged. Listening becomes automatic after consistent practice.
Writing is another piece. Journals, social media posts, and forums let learners practice thought organization in English. Feedback is essential.
I joined writing challenges online. Every correction improved my grammar and vocabulary. Writing reinforces what you hear and speak. It completes the learning loop.
Emotional connection matters. Learning English to communicate with friends, understand culture, or achieve dreams strengthens commitment. Motivation rooted in emotion lasts longer.
I remember reading my first English story without translation. It felt magical. Emotional milestones make the learning journey unforgettable. Passion drives persistence.
Let's talk results. How fast can one speak fluently in 2026? With smart practice, AI support, and consistent effort, significant improvement is visible within months.
I personally noticed fluency growth in 6 months using tech-enhanced methods. Patience, persistence, and proper tools make the impossible possible.
But beware shortcuts promising instant fluency. Quick fixes rarely work. True fluency combines multiple methods over time.
I've tried miracle programs. They failed. Sustainable learning requires structured, consistent, and meaningful practice. Real results aren't instant, they're earned.
So, can you really learn English in 2026? The answer yes, but only with the right combination of technology, strategy, and persistence.
It's a journey, not a magic trick. With AI, immersion, and personal effort, fluency is attainable for anyone willing to commit. The tools are better than ever. Now it's up to you.
Remember, the first 20 seconds matter. Hook yourself with curiosity and excitement. Keep learning fun and engaging.
And celebrate every small win. Each new word, sentence, or conversation is proof of progress. Enjoy the ride. Learning is as important as fluency itself.
So whether it's podcasts, VR, AI tutors, or online communities, 2026 has made learning English faster and smarter than ever. The question isn't, can you learn English? It's, are you ready to start?
Take the first step today. Practice, engage, and embrace the process. Fluency isn't a distant dream anymore. It's a reachable reality. Welcome to your English adventure in 2026.